Hello, this is Mr. G, and here's one of my favorite uses for um, screencasting is you can set up all your lessons and have them recorded so people can access these from home, anywhere in the world. I actually had a student earlier in the year access some of the lessons from India. They can always learn no matter where they're at. And they can work at their own pace. I'll have students test out, for example, of level 1, and I can push them ahead further. I have superstar challenges that come after this for my advanced students, so it's really great for differentiating. You can put this into anything. For another example is when my students are doing websites, and this just, again, they can work at their own pace. But you could use this for anything. For example, if I was teaching social studies again, I would definitely use this for something like teaching latitude and longitude. I constantly use these for English. When we were learning different types of sentences, perhaps like compound or complex sentences, to give the kids a chance to move at their own pace. So this is one of my favorite uses, is just making your lessons, posting them on YouTube, and then putting them in the Google Classroom so the students can then work at their own pace, and it gives me a chance to differentiate.